I'm going to hypnotize a rooster. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, his mouth. Abracadabra. I don't think it's going to work.
He starts
wake up. Say he's asleep. Watch this. Still asleep. Now check him out.